This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about aprons, specifically this cotton cooking apron. We have it here in gray, and it's a flame retardant fabric, but it's also available in black, giving you some neutral color options that will really go with a lot of different uniforms and look fantastic in your kitchen. The flame retardant fabric is going to give you increased safety and really help protect you and your employees from those hot splatters from the fryer or from your, say, saute line, whatever the case may be. It's a lovely added safety feature that's not only going to help keep your uniforms clean and tidy, but also be really functional as well. It's got great pockets on it, and it features a adjustable neck strap and also 2 ties for the waist and a very generous width, so it's going to adjust to really fit a variety of different heights, weights, and builds. So it's going to be a nice apron to buy that's going to be a universal size. It's made of a really nice, thick, durable cotton that's high quality, and it's going to have not only a comfortable feel, but offer that increased protection for your employees. It has really well sewn, nice seams for that increased durability and lasting use that's really going to resist wear from heavy use in a kitchen. And with the pockets, the adjustable sizing, and that great durable fabric, so these are going to be really long-lasting aprons that are really going to stand up to the wear, whether that's being used in a professional kitchen, in a commercial environment, or if it's just a gift for the amateur or pro chef in your life.